Now, our next topic is users of accounting. From the definition, we find accounting is an information system. That means we have to provide the information, we have to communicate the information to these interested users, because users are the users who will take the decision for the company. So now we'll discuss about who are these users. So users can be broadly divided into two parts. One is internal users, another is external users. So internal users are those who are working inside the organization. And external user means who are not working in the business, who are outside the business, but they have interest in our financial performance. So who are the internal users? So we can say the directors of the company, the managers, and supervisors. These are the key people who can take decision in a company. So that's why these are the internal users of accounting. So why they need accounting information? So they need accounting information to run the business properly. Without knowing the past performance of the organization, they cannot even take the decision what they have to do for the future. So to run the business properly, internal users are needed financial information. So now, the external user. Who are the external users? So we have already said that who work outside the business, but they have interest in our company. So the first and foremost, the most important external user is the investors. So investors means the owner of the business. Though they are the owner, but they are not internal user. Why? Because they are not responsible to run or operate the business. An investor invests money to the business to earn profit. So gaining profit is the main thing for an investor. So these investors are the prime external users. They invest money to the business and they recruit this person. They give him the responsibility to this internal user. They use their money and try to earn profit, and when they make profit, that profit should go to the investor. So that's why investors are the external user, not internal user, because the perception of investor or owner just to earn profit, not to work in an organization. The other external user includes first one is creditors. Another important external users of accounting information. So creditors, who are the creditors? So that means from where we can receive the benefit. Like we have purchased something but we are not paying the money. So we can say the O's of the company called the creditors, to whom we have to pay in future. We can say the bank, we have taking loans from the bank, so bank might be one of the crucial creditors. So the question may be arise, why these two external users need accounting information? So if we discuss about investors, of course, after a specific time period, owner has to know how much they have earned after a specific period, and that's why they need accounting information to take decision for the future, that they will invest the money in the company or not, they will buy the share of the company or not. So that That means we will invest or not. To take this decision, investor needs accounting information. For creditor purpose, if we go to a bank and say that give me a loan of 5 crore, they will not give a single penny to me. Creditors is also an important external users of accounting. If a business organization need money, there are two options. One is collect money from the investors or collect from the creditors. So, but we are not going to receive any credit if the creditor is not believe in us. So, whether a creditor should give us the loan or credit to us. So that's why they will analyze our financial statement. They analyze our financial statement whether we have the capacity to repay the loan correctly or not, we have enough securities or not against this loan, then they will give us the credit. So the decision of creditor would be whether they will give or provide us the credit or not. That is the main question arise of the creditor, and for that reason they need proper financial information of that company. The other external user includes tax authority, the regulatory agencies, the customer, and labor union. So these are some of other external users. So tax, every company have to pay tax. So that's why whether we are paying tax properly or not, that should be judged by the tax authority, and they will be judged by analyzing our accounting information. Then other regulatory agency like NRB, National Board of Revenue, the Security and Exchange Commission, they might also need accounting information of a specific organization, that whether we are preparing the financial statement correctly in accordance with the laws and regulations of Bangladesh. Another user is customer. So who are the customers? We can say we are the customer, but do we use accounting information to purchase anything or not? So the answer is no. Then which customers may be the accounting users? So the answer is not all customers are the users of accounting information. Only those customers who are interested to invest in future, and that they are analyzing the financial report of several companies to take a decision in future where they will invest or not. So the potential investors are the external user of accounting. So labor union is another external user. So they are work for labor rights, and before asking for any labor increasing salary, they have to analyze the financial information of an organization, and they can ask for increasing the salary. So they also need accounting information. That's why they are the external user of accounting.